Well, everybody, me and Gary at the last minute just sitting here bullshitting, talking, and well, we decided to just pull the damn trigger and go get us a race car. Is that right?
On our way to Buford, Georgia.
But we're not going to tell you what the car is just yet.
Nope.
You have to watch the whole fucking video. Don't skip forward neither. But this is going to be a project build that we're going to do from scratch all the way up till it's finished. And we're also going to go bust some ass in this car too.
What's that?
And you can see right there, the car trailer's right behind us. So, let's go get this bitch.
We'll keep you updated. Just keep watching.
Shoot your shit. One day, we will have something like this. Who the fuck am I joking? Nope. Well, guys, we are officially new owners of a project car.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Sunderth Road Northeast.
Shut up, bitch.
You gotta turn right.
Yeah, turn right. You heard her. But with this project build, it's going to take a while, but we plan on
Right here.
having it street legal.
Take the second right onto
Second right.
Sunderth Road Northeast.
Which is right here. Which is right there.
Well, I cut right.
It's a shortcut.
Because they both cut right.
We're fucking lost.
You go get your shit together.
Yeah. But like I was saying...
600 feet, turn right onto Georgia 20 West Buford Drive.
Oh my God, I hate when she fucking talks and I'm
Take
trying
the
to talk.
next right onto Georgia 20 West Buford Drive.
Can I talk now? Can I? Like I was saying, this project's going to be a little long, which I know a bunch of other people has built these kind of cars before, but most of
Continue
them...
on Georgia 20 West for 3/4 of a mile.
Cut. Most of them build these cars just to drive a little bit. We want to be able to drive it, race it, and raise hell and praise the hell. So when we get up here to the gas station, we'll get out and I'll show a video of the new project. And as we go along, we're going to build or video the whole entire build, the whole way up, from scratch to the end.
Top to bottom, bottom to top.
Yes. So me and him both are going to be owners of this car. It's going to be our
In a quarter
pretty
mile,
much like
turn
our
right onto the I-985
racing
north
car.
ramp.
But we plan on calling out some other YouTubers too with this car. So y'all got to help us. Share it with all the other YouTubers. Tell them we are coming for them.
Like, share, subscribe.
Yup.
Turn right onto the I-985 north ramp.
Turn right here. Oh shit. If we make it back with the car, if Gary don't sling her off.
In a quarter mile, merge
Race
onto
up, race down.
I-985
Yeah.
north.
Now what's that? She has a rear-wheel drive. So I will be back with you all when we get to a gas station where we have better light, cause this was like pretty much a 4-hour and something drive because of traffic, a bunch of other bullshit. And we left at 3 o'clock and we got here and it's like almost 10 o'clock now, so that shows the day that we've had. Alright guys, we stopped here at the gas station. Y'all ready to see our new project? We plan on hitting like over 1,500 horsepower or more. Are you ready? Boom, boom. That is right. We got us a 300ZX. Our plans for this is to twin turbo it, 6.2 LS. We had to come all the way down here to Georgia to get her. And Gary's pretty excited about it.
Cops about to get one for no headlight.
Uh-oh, no headlights. No headlight, got busted. But like I said, there's a lot of things we're going to do with this. A lot of plans we have. So it's going to be pretty darn good. And we're probably going to do a lot more stuff to the body too. We're going to change her up quite a bit. So just stick around, subscribe. Be a little nosy. Uh-oh. But anyways, share. Oh, homie, he does it better than I do.
Like, subscribe, share.
See y'all guys in the next video with some update. Peace out.